A thumbnail can make or break a YouTube video, especially in the anime niche. So, if your thumbnail looks like this might be the reason why you're getting 0 views. So, let's pump it up a bit. Let's make it like this. Today we're going to be using a tool called Canva to make it. There's a free version, but I highly recommend investing in the pro one. The link is going to be in the bio so it's easier for you to follow. As you can see, Canva already has these YouTube thumbnail templates, but today we're going to start from scratch with these 5 easy steps. Now, even before we start the steps, I'll show you how to get the perfect sizing for a thumbnail. So you go on Canva, this is going to be your home page. You go and create a design, and as you can see, there's YouTube thumbnail. It's the right size and everything. You just click on it, it opens a new page. Like I was saying, there's the thumbnail suggestions on the side, but you can start from scratch. So the first step is going to be finding a good PNG image on Google that you want to use for your thumbnail. To quickly summarize what a PNG is, it's like an image but with no background. Canva has the option of you removing the background from a picture, but since it's a pro version, we're going to keep it free friendly today. So all you have to do is you go on Google, you type the character you want to use for your thumbnail. I used Luffy Gear 5, so I put Luffy Gear 5 PNG. I took the second image, you copy, and you go back on the page we just did, and you paste. That's it. You have your character. So you already completed the first step. The second step in having a good thumbnail is having a good background picture. So in my case, what I did is I also went on Google, I wrote anime fighting background, and I found this one. This is the one we originally used on the background. So all you have to do is you copy the image, you go back on Canva, you paste it, then you right click and set image as a background. And there we go, we already have something working. The third step is adding text. It's always better to mix 2 colors so it pops up more, and also please play with the sizing. Don't keep it the same size because it's really boring. You see, I have 2 colors, the sizing is a bit taller, and the thumbnail is a bit smaller. Like you see the difference between anime and thumbnail. It's not the same sizing, it fits better, it's better to look at. So let's add the text. So you go in the text, you already have some designs here if you're interested or not. What I usually do is you add a heading, you write what you want to write. So for me it's gonna be best, and then you just choose your font. Usually I go with Zing Rust Base, that's my favorite, and it's gonna look like something like this. If you want to modify it, you can go in effects, you can hollow it, lift it, neon. There's a lot of good options. So honestly, one of the best and the most important part of your thumbnail is gonna be the text. So you have to be extra careful with it. The fourth step is adding elements so you can make it look better. Canva has a huge library of different elements you can use in the video. So that's what we're going to be using today. As you can see, there's stickers, there's graphics, there's anything you would wish for. You can also search for anything. So let's say you search for like Christmas. Okay, I can't spell Christmas, but you get it. Like, there's graphics, there's photos, there's a lot of things. To recreate the thumbnail, we're going to be using some of the elements I've used. As you can see in the original one, there's some clouds behind. So I used this one. If you want to see anything that's similar, you go in the 3 dots, and then you get the tags. Now that we have it, we can play with it. You can right click to send it backwards, bring it forward and everything. So let's send it backwards. Actually, let's send it to back. So you have it here. We can also copy and paste it here. Let's bring it to the back also. I think I used lightning also, so I'm gonna just put just a tiny bit. The secret with a good thumbnail is you have to be creative. It's a representation of you, of your way of working. So like, just have fun with it. That's really the secret. Because if you work really hard on it and you're proud of what you're doing, it's gonna show. We can switch it around, bring it, because I don't want it to show too much. Luffy is not big enough, so let's make him bigger. Yeah, we're getting there. It's also really important to play with the dimensions. Like, don't just like make everything too small, like, or don't be afraid like, oh, it's not gonna fit in the picture and everything. Actually make it entertaining. As you can see, it's already getting there. I think there was some this kind of clouds also. Bring to the back. Okay, so the lightning was blue, but anyway, you can make red lightning, anything. It's not really important. I think I also used this one. Yeah, put it like here. CV, copy paste. Send to back. V. Send to back. So you see, it's coming along. So really, elements are the key factor. And the last thing is play with the intensity, play with the glow. That's the little difference that's gonna make it pop up just a tiny bit more. So what I mean by that, let's take an element, you go here, transparency, and as you can see, you can make it more transparent. For me, I like it like this, but there's gonna be some designs that are way better transparent. For the glow effect, you go on edit image. As you can see, there's a lot of filters, a lot of everything, but you go in shadow, you go in glow, you go in design. I like a little red glow. Let's make it blurry. And there we go. You see how the image became so much better just from that? As you can see, the difference is night and day from this design to this one. Like, it's pretty easy when you like put in the work to create a really good thumbnail. And honestly, with more and more people coming on YouTube, especially anime creators becoming more and more popular, you need to stand out. You need a good thumbnail or people are not gonna click on your videos. So now that you have your thumbnail, all you need is good quality content. So if you need some inspirations or anything, here's the top 5 best animes coming out in 2023. Anyway, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.